In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Robinhood IPO. IPO Access on Robinhood lets you request shares at the initial public offering price before the stock begins trading on the open market. That's earlier than most investors who buy after the opening bell. Remember, IPOs can be volatile and allocations aren't guaranteed, so think of this as a way to participate earlier, not a promise of shares or profits. Start by heading to Robinhood.com and logging into your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the search bar at the top. Type IPO, then select IPO Access from the results. This takes you to a dedicated page showing any offerings that are currently available. If you don't see anything listed, that's normal. There may be no active IPOs right now, or the platform may not be participating in certain deals. Click any offering to open its details. Here you'll see the expected price range, background on the company, and a link to the prospectus. Take a moment to read through the key sections of the prospectus, especially the risk factors and how the company plans to use the proceeds. Terms and price ranges can shift right up until pricing, so treat these details as preliminary. If you want to participate, choose Request Shares, enter the number of shares you'd like, and submit. This creates what's called a conditional offer to buy. It's not a final purchase, it simply indicates your interest and places you into the allocation process. If you're ultimately allocated, you'll be charged at the IPO price, so be sure you're comfortable with the potential costs based on the indicated range. After you submit, there's a waiting period. Robinhood uses a random allocation system, so depending on overall demand, you may receive your full request, a partial fill, or no shares at all. You won't know your final allocation until the deal is priced. Before IPO day, watch for a notification prompting you to confirm your order within a specific confirmation window. You must complete that confirmation to remain eligible. If you miss it, your request is canceled and you won't receive shares. Turning on app or email notifications can help you catch this window on time. If you're allocated, the shares are purchased for you at the IPO price, and you'll see them in your portfolio. Public trading usually begins later that day, and prices can move quickly in either direction. A few important notes on both desktop and mobile. Not all IPOs are available. Shares are not guaranteed. Some users may be restricted by industry regulations, and selling immediately after allocation, often called flipping, can limit your access to future IPOs. That's the process from start to finish. Review the details carefully, request thoughtfully, confirm on time, and invest according to your risk tolerance.